These days, we basically need headphones for like every basic function in life. Am I right? You're probably wearing headphones right now while you're watching this video. But are they cute headphones? Because I'm seeing a whole bunch of very cute headphones out there, and it makes sense. It's an accessory we wear every day. Why shouldn't it be adorable? But they're very expensive to purchase, so I thought, why not use the headphones we already have and DIY them into something super cute? As you're watching the video, just guess how many glue sticks I go through while making these 3 projects, because glue sticks are life. Fill up the comment section below as you watch. Let's get started. To make a flower crown set of headphones, you'll need flowers in an array of sizes. Remove the flower from the stem with your fingers or a pair of scissors and play around with your layout. Add a little greenery in there for some variety, and then when you have your layout, you can remove the headphones and replace it with a headphone stand or something that will serve as a headphone stand. Add a dollop of glue and your first piece, holding it in place. Add glue underneath and layer your next piece. Position the headphones so that the place you're about to glue is at the very top of the stand, because gravity. Layer on flower after flower, holding it in place as the glue dries. I'm keeping my flowers at just the crown of the headphones so that it really looks like a flower crown. Flip your headphones over and fill in any blank spots with some additional little flowers, because we want your headphones to look good from the front and the back. And voila! Flower crown headphones. To make adorable Pom Pom headphones, you'll need your hot glue gun, your headphones, and a whole bunch of Pom Poms. I'm using an array of different types of Pom Poms. I have these regular ones, and then I have these that have sparkly little tentacles on them. The more variety, the more interesting your headphones are going to look at the end of the project. Plug in your hot glue gun and get ready to add these adorable little guys to your headphones. Place a dollop on the base and add your first pom. You're going to put glue right up against your first couple of pom-poms as you add the rest, making sure that they are very dense and all pushed together, pressing down afterwards to make sure that it really adheres to that glue. This is a kind of zen, meditative, fun project, so just keep adding and adding and adding. There's a very short amount of time in between when you add your glue to when it will dry, so you want to do this as quickly as possible while putting a little bit of forethought into your color display. The hot glue works wonderfully to really adhere your pom-poms on there. Just be sure to press them into the glue while the glue is still hot. Now that we've covered the headband portion of our headphones, we're going to go ahead and add more pom-poms onto the headphone portion. For this, I went with some bigger pom-poms because it's a larger surface area, and it's looking really rad. Keep adding it on there, pressing in between, and as you continue on with the project, the glue will get hotter and hotter, so be careful. As you work your way out to the exterior of the headphones, you can use the teeny tiny pom-poms to fill in any negative space. And voila! So cute. For glow-in-the-dark headphones, we're using the same EL wire that we used to make our neon rainbow sign. Start at the side where you have the wire on the headphone, and then place your EL wire above it. You're going to wrap the wire around the first speaker, and then down again, using your hot glue as you go. Now go up over the headband portion of your headphones with thin strips of clear hot glue. I cheated my shots so that you guys could see for the video, so gravity was not my friend. And so it's a little bit messier than it would be if I was not videotaping this project. But even so, the glue dries totally clear, and any excess you can just pick off with your finger or a little utility knife. So keep going around the perimeter of your headphones. And since you've wrapped around both speakers, you're back at the side you started. And so you have the excess EL wire going back down the wire of your headphones. Use clear tape to attach the two together for a nice, clean look. You'll put the battery pack in your pocket And voila! Totally rad glow-in-the-dark headphones that are super fun and keep you safe at night. Which of these 3 designs is your favorite? I personally think that the pom-poms and flowers are super cute, but I also love not dying, so the glow-in-the-dark is pretty rad as a woman who likes to take walks at night. Give the vid a thumbs up if you like any of them, and subscribe to HGTV Handmade. I will see you guys later. Bye!